Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've been looking for the right automation platform and can't decide between Zapier, Make, or N8N, then this video is for you. We're breaking down the pros, cons, and key differences, all based on research, real user reviews, and personal opinion. Disclaimer, this isn't financial or business advice, just what I found online while searching these three platforms. Let's start with a quick intro on each. Zapier is probably the most well-known. It supports over 6,000 integrations with a simple beginner-friendly interface. It's designed for non-technical issues who just want to automate common tasks, but it comes with a higher price tag, roughly $20 per month just for 750 tasks. While Make.com, formerly Integromat, is more powerful and flexible. It offers a visual scenario builder, handles complex workflows, and is far more affordable, $9 a month for 10,000 operations. It's great for freelancers, small businesses, and intermediate users. N8N is the open source underdog. It's fully self-hostable, which means you can control your data. You can write JavaScript directly in your automations, and the logic customization is next level. But it's more technical and better suited for developers. Let's see what users are actually saying on Trustpilot. N8N is praised for being a developer's dream. One reviewer said they came from Make, but N8N blew them away with its flexibility and control. The fact that it's open source and supports advanced logic makes it stand out. 77% of reviews are 5-star. The downside, the only 1-star review I found had nothing to do with the platform. It was about a bad hiring interview. Make.com has a 3.3-star rating with 60% 5-star reviews. One reviewer said it's better than Zapier in terms of price, power, and reusability. You get tools like routers, data stores, and error handlers, all without writing code. But some people say the learning curve can be steep at first. Then we've got Zapier sitting at a low 1.3 stars, only 14% are 5-star and 69% are 1-star reviews. Common complaints include the confusing interface, overpriced plans, and poor customer service. One person even said WordPress plugins like Uncanny Automator work better for less. Let's compare them at first glance. Integrations: Zapier wins at 6,000 plus apps. Pricing: N8N is cheapest, free if self-hosted. And then for the ease of use, Zapier is best for beginners. Customization: N8N is best for coders. Visual builders: Make wins here, flexible and powerful without needing code. Self-hosting: only N8N supports it. So which one is better? If you're a developer or want full control, go with N8N. If you want powerful automations without code, Make.com is a great middle ground. If you just need something quick and simple and don't mind the cost, Zapier might still work for you. In my opinion, Make.com offers the best balance of power, usability, and price, but again, this is just based on research and personal opinion. Always try each platform yourself and see what fits your workflow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.